Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. In this video, I will tell you how you can edit or add the top bar in WoodMart theme. So here you can see the top bar that I have in my WoodMart theme. Let's see how we can edit this and how you can add a top bar to your website. So just hover over this WoodMart button and go to theme settings. And here you need to click on general. So here you will have to go to header banner, and here you will see header banner. So this header banner is basically the top bar. So this is a thin line above the header with your custom content. You can use it for promotions and global messages. So if this is off on your end, you can turn it on, and here you can scroll and add the text that you want to show. So for example, in my case, I have written free shipping worldwide, shop now, and here I have added this link. So whenever someone will go to the website, they will see this top bar and this text will be there. And when they will click on it, they will be redirected to the page to which I will add the link over here. So here you can also add emojis to make it more attractive. And here you can change the banner background. So here you can see in my case, I have made it red. So you can just edit the color code and you can add any color. You can change the text color, you can make it white or you can make it black. So on red color, the white text look better, so I made it light. And here you can increase the size, the height of the banner if you want, but I recommend you to use this 40 pixel, which is the default, looks good. Otherwise it will increase more, so that will not look better. And here you can have this close button, so you can on this close button if you want users to see this close button, so they can click and it will be off. So you can turn it on or off. So just turn it off if you don't want users to do that. So that's how you can edit or add the top bar in WoodMart theme. So if you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. And if you want to create your complete website using WoodMart theme, I have already created a complete video. You can watch that and build your complete website. If you need my help in building or fixing your website, then you can go to my website kashifmehmood.com and you can hire me for any services. So that's it for the video. See you next time.